approaching Erdington. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.
Right then, I think we're only due to spend 10 minutes here at Erdington, but yeah. Yeah, 10 minutes here, but we're still getting 3 things, so at least it's that. Right then. Thank God we're at the front of the train, because I could not be bothered with the walk from one end to the other, but suck out the people. Right then, let's wait for the doors and then we can begin. Okay then, so we will, once the conductor opens the doors, we'll get started here at Erdington with 730-025 and 730-037 with 2 Romeo 41 and the 1527 West Midlands Railway service from Four Oaks to Redditch. And our next unit is up there as well.
Oh, here it comes.
Right then, so as that heads out, we should see the arrival of 2U40 and 730-015 coupled to 730-009 with the 1529 West Midlands Railway service from Redditch to Four Oaks. And departing out 1 minute early for West Midlands Railway is the previously mentioned 730-015 and 730-009 with 2U40 from Redditch to Four Oaks. So, off they go. Eventually. There we go. One good thing about the ridiculously long platforms here at Erdington, you can get a good long shot of units heading up and coming down. Alright then, and as that heads round, due in to finish us up here at Erdington will be 2 Oscar 42, as we see 730-021 and 730-044 with the 1536 West Midlands Railway service from Lichfield, Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. So we'll keep following 730-015 and 009 round the corner. There they go just now. Okay, and coming in to finish us up is the previously mentioned 2 Oscar 42. And obviously, I already said that is 730-021 and 044, as you can see up there. They are coming in to finish us up 1 minute early at Erdington. So I think I've only actually spent, oh no, 3 minutes early, sorry. Yeah, I've genuinely only spent 9 minutes here. So it's definitely my quickest session of the day. And actually I'm having to deal with a wasp back here. Go away. Right. Yeah, the wasp is jealous of the fact that I'm here to film 730s clearly. Right, anyway. Let's have 2 Oscar 24 and 730-021 take us to Gravelly Hill. So as they arrive in, to finish us up at Erdington, you know what I'm going to say by now. That is a good session at Erdington done.